Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master. So in today's video I thought I would share with you how to reduce those fine lines and eye wrinkles around the eye area here. We're then going to finish off with the all-important lymphatic drainage release. Now, first things first, I like to start off with clean skin, and I'm using a little bit of facial oil here. If you have an eye cream, that's great. Just something so we're not compromising the skin, so by dragging and pulling at it. So by adding an oil or a face cream or even an eye cream will really help smooth everything out and will actually allow for a slightly more movement within the fingers. So just gently applying above the eye area, side of the eyes and under the eyes. And then first of all, we're just going to start with a little bit of gentle tapping from the inside of the eye and working outwards. And what we're doing here is really helping with blood flow and circulation to the area. Particularly if you have any puffiness around the eyes or any eye bags. And then with the ring finger, because we have a lighter touch, I'm gliding down where the bone is under the eye and working above, almost in a sort of semicircular motion. So we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph, and the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin. So again, very light, feather-light touch. I'm just moving everything along outwards. Sorry, the light keeps moving around. Keep working all the way along. You can do this with night cream if you like, or even a face cream during the daytime. And whatever you've applied to your face, your skin is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. Again, just keep working along. If you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth, which really does help with oxygen to the facial area. And then I'm placing one hand as an anchor now, taking my other fingers and just gently massaging in an upwards motion those potential smile lines and crow's feet. We're doing this quite in a nice gentle way, particularly if you have older skin. And then on the other side, hand as an anchor, taking our other fingers and we're just massaging here, just where the temples are, side of the eyes. And then with the fingers, I'm just very gently moving now in an outwards motion, slowly and slightly pressing down, almost in a wave-like motion here. And then from our beginning point of just coming upwards, semicircular motion with the fingers, the ring finger. And then you want to glide down either side of the temples down towards the ears, where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And by this point, you may want to swallow as you can feel things kind of moving along. And then some fingers in front of the ear, and also, as you can see, just behind the ear here. And just gently glide down either side of the ears, moving everything along, and then down the big SCM muscle down towards the collarbone. Down the big SCM muscle. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we have some couple of indentations if you like. And if you just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the waste and all the toxins within the lymph we've moved within the eye area into the body, ready for elimination. Now, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more daily content, and a thumbs up if you found the video useful. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.